You're not intending to get foam in the bottle, you're trying to get it foam spraying out of the nozzle. And I'm going to try a new car washing technique because I got some additional tools to try. So I picked up this, which is a better snow cannon by MATCC on Amazon. It's the upgraded version snow foam cannon. Now I had tried this one, which is the Chemical Guys turn and click with the foamer attachment. Now the benefit to this one is that it is pump pressure. You don't require any pressure washer for this one, but it really doesn't do that great of a job. It does it does foam it, but it's very spotty foaming. So this one should get me a much better coverage, and we're going to try it out. Let's see what you get in the foam cannon. There will be some assembly required, but it should be fairly basic. So you get the pickup hose and tube, you get the actual tank, and this is the upgraded nozzle. So I did buy the upgraded version, which includes an all-metal interface and some additional metal adjustments. It has some additional metal parts on the inside. It's supposed to be a little bit better quality. So we'll see how it works. And here's how you do it. Mixture daub. It does not say how much to put in. In my opinion, you just put in a little bit of soap, you fill it. Typically they say with warm water, but I don't have warm water as I'm using rain bucket water, and I will be using that spray foam lance with the Worx Hydroshot, which is the battery operated pressure washer. So we'll see if it works in my scenario, which is I want this to be portable, to work on rainwater, and to require no electricity. So we'll see if I can do that. Now the soap that I'm going to test is the CarPro Reset Wash Intensive Car Shampoo, and I'm just going to put a little bit of soap in here. I was maybe half a cap full of soap. I'm going to fill this with water. You do not want to agitate it. You just want to fill it slowly. You're not intending to get foam in the bottle. You're trying to get it foam spraying out of the nozzle. Okay, now on the Worx PowerShot, you do have this end piece. So you just remove that, and that allows me to put the brass end onto the snow foam cannon. Quick connect. And I'm going to try it with the pressure extender on, although that seems a little ridiculous. I might shorten it and try it on the short wand. Actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's try it on the short wand first, and then if it's not enough pressure, I will do it like this. Okay, that seems a bit more manageable, so we'll try it like that to start. I just got to put the battery in, hook up the hose. Alright, I just did my first test with it, and you absolutely do need to have the pressure extension. This gives it approximately 300 psi. When it was set at the 90 psi mode, it would not work at all. So I've just done a little test, and now this does totally work. Cool, so I'm going to keep going with that and dial in the foam and keep going. Cool. Alright, so it totally works. I've just done a bad job of getting it on film. Because I'm just trying to do the job, but it does work. I think the downside is that my soap is not snow foam soap. It's just normal high-end car soap, so you would get better stickier foam with a better soap. But overall, for a proof of concept, this totally works. The Hydroshot with the snow foam lance off bucket water running off a lithium powered battery, it does work. You can snow foam your car with it. So I've done this one, it's just been dwelling. We'll hand wash with it afterwards. I'll come back when the cars are actually washed and show you the final results. Alright, they are done. I can't say that this was a very good video to really show it off, but anyway, that was just a basic wash. The Tiguan needs wax really bad. It has almost zero beading, and my Golf R has tons of beading because I'm using Bead Maker on it. Anyway, the point of the video is if you do car washes at home, look into a snow cannon because they're pretty good. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button if you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. And as always, thanks for watching.